Hello everyone. Today I am back with a new topic. Today we'll solve some problems on ages. Let me uh, briefly introduce ages problems here. Every problem on ages include ratio between one or two person. For example, let us consider two persons here, person A and person B. So problems will be like the ratio of ages of A and B are 9 is to 10. That means if we consider in calculations, if we consider age of A as 9x, then age of B will be 10x. If you look at the ages ratio of their ages, again 9x by 10x will be, so x get cancels and the ratio remains 10x. Okay, so problems on ratios will be, ages will be in ratio form. Let us quickly move on to problems here. First problem is ratio of ages of Tina and Rakesh is 9 is to 10 respectively. 10 years ago the ratio of their ages was 4 is to 5 respectively. What is the percentage of Rakesh? So if I consider age of Tina is 9x, then age of Rakesh will be 10x, because the ratio should be 9 is to 10. Then 10 years ago the ratio of their ages was 4 is to 5. That means 10 years ago, this is percentage of Tina. So 10 years ago their ages were 9x minus 10 and 10x minus 10. These were the ages 10 years ago, and the ratio was 10 years ago the ratio was 9x minus 10, 10x minus 10 is to 4 is to 5. Okay, so if you solve for x, it is 45x minus 50, 40x minus 40. So 5x is equal to 10, 45 minus 40 will be 5x, and minus 40 plus 50 will be 10. So x is equal to 2. So Tina's age is 18 years because 9 into 2, and Rakesh's age is 20 years, that is 10 into 2, 10 into 2. So what is the percentage of Rakesh? Percentage of Rakesh is 20 years. We'll move on to next problem. Samir's age is 1/4 of his father's age and 2/3 of his sister Reema's age. So Samir's age is, let us say, x, and father's age is y, and Reema's age, his sister's age, is z. If I say, so what is x equal to? X is equal to 1/4 of y, and x is also equal to 2/3 of z, 2/3 of Reema's age, 2/3 of z. So then what this implies? Y is equal to 4x. This is y is equal to, let me write it again. This implies y is equal to 4x, and similarly this implies z is equal to 3x by 2. Z is equal to 3x by 2. So ratios of their ages are, so Samir's age is x, and next Reema's age is 3x by 2, and father's age is 4x, and the ratios are, and we can cross multiply them and we can write ratios of their ages 1 is to 3 by 2 is to 4, which can be written as 2 is to 3 is to 8. So this is the ratios of their ages. 2 gets multiplied here as well here. So 2 is to 3 is to 8. This is the ratio of Samir, Reema and their father. Next. The age of father 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son. Let his son's age is X now, and 10 years ago it would be X minus 10. The age of father 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son. So his father's age, let's say father's age is Y. So what was Y equal to? Father's, this is father's present age. Then 10 years ago the father's age was Y minus 10. This was equal to, see, the age of father 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son. So thrice the age of his son means 3 into X minus 10. This was age of his son 10 years ago. This was age of his father 10 years ago. So the ratio was, he was thrice his son's age. So Y minus 10 is equal to 3X minus 30. So what is the question asked? 10 years hence father's age will be twice that of his son. 10 years hence. So we'll first look into here. So 10 years hence means, so present age is X. So X plus 10 will be his son's age and his father's age will be Y plus 10. So what has he said? 10 years hence father's age will be twice his son's age. So what is the equation again? Y plus 10 is equal to 2 times X plus 10. Here Y is present age of father, X is present age of son. 10 years later it will be Y plus 10, this will X plus 10. So the ratio is 2 times of that. So it is Y plus 10 is equal to 2X plus 20. That is Y minus 2X is equal to 10. Here Y minus 3X is equal to minus 20. So now if I take this equation, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If you try to solve these equations, Y minus 3X is equal to minus 20 and Y minus 2X is equal to 10. So if you try to subtract this, minus of this, so minus plus minus, so this gets cancelled. Minus 3X plus 2X is minus X is equal to minus 30. So this cancels. X is equal to 30. If X is equal to 30, then what is Y? So try to substitute one of the equations. X is 30 means Y minus 90, because X is 30, Y minus 90 is equal to minus 20. So Y is equal to 70. So minus becomes plus here. So 70. That is, find the ratio of their percentages. Father's age and son's age, their ratio is 70 is to 30. That is 7 is to 3 is the ratio of their ages. We'll move on to the next problem. Man's present age is 2/5 of his mother's. Let us say man's present age is X. Man's present age is X and mother's age is Y. What he says, man's present age X is equal to 2/5 of his mother. After 8 years, so after 8 years, man will be X minus X plus 8 and mother will be Y plus 8. This is after 8 years. So what he says, after 8 years, she will be one half the age of his mother. He, it should be he, not she. After 8 years, he will be one half of the age of his mother. That means after 8 years, that is X plus 8 will be equal to half of his mother's age. Hence, so by cross multiplication we get 2x plus 16 is equal to y plus 8. From the first equation, what we got here, x is equal to 2 by 5y. So we will try to substitute x is equal to, in this equation, value of x is equal to, so 2 into, what is x? 2 by 5y plus 16 is equal to y plus 8. Now 455y plus 16 is equal to y plus 8. So 4 by 5y minus y is equal to 8 minus 16 is minus 8. So that will be, if I take the LCM here, 5 ones are 1 5s are, so 4y minus 5y is minus y is minus 8. So minus gets cancelled. So y becomes 40. So y is 40. Mother's age is, how old is mother at present? So y is 40. Mother is 40 years now. So this is how we solve this problem. We'll move on to next problem. Problem number 5. Ages of two persons differ by 16 years. Let ages of first person be x and second person be y. Ages of two persons differ. So difference of ages is x minus y is 16. If 6 years ago the elder one be thrice, so let us say he is elder and he is younger. He is elder and he is younger. So 6 years ago their ages were x minus 6, elder was x minus 6 and younger was y minus 6. 6 years ago. 6 years ago the elder one would be 3 times as old as the younger one. That means it was like this, x minus 6, that is 6 years ago elder one was 3 times the younger one. Find the present age. So we'll try to do it this way. X is equal to 16 plus y from first equation. From this equation we got x is equal to 16 plus y. We'll try to substitute here. 16 plus y minus 6 is equal to 3y minus 18. 3y minus 18. So 16 minus 6 is 10y. 10 plus y is equal to 3y minus 18. So we'll take y minus 3y is equal to minus 28. Minus 2y is equal to 18 minus 10. This becomes 28. Minus 2y is equal to minus 28. So y is equal to 14. Y is 14. The younger one is 14 now and elder one is, difference should be 16 again. So y plus 16 is x according to this. Y plus 16 is x, that is 14 plus 16 is x, that is x is equal to 30. So elder one is 30 years and younger one is 14 years. Now we'll move on to sixth problem now. Product of ages of Ankit and Nikita is 240. That means age of Ankit is x and Nikita's age will be 240 by x, because product should be again equal to 240. If the twice the age of Nikita, that implies what is the twice the age of Nikita? 2 times 240. This is equal to something. So let us calculate twice the age of Nikita is 480 by x. This is twice the age of Nikita. Is more than Ankit's age by 4 years. This is more than Ankit's age by 4 years. That means difference of their ages is 4. That is, you can write it 480 minus x by x here is equal to 4. Take a LCM here. 480 minus x square is equal to 4x. If you take the LCM, this will be cross multiplied. Now you can write it like this: x square plus 4x minus 480 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We have to solve it by split method, that is x square. See, we should solve it like we have to take two terms here so that their difference is 4x and their multiplication is 480. So try to take this 24x minus 20x. See, 24 into 20 is 480. So write it this way, so you can get the proper solution here. We will write it here. This is equal to x. So if you take from here x into x plus 24 is the first term. Again, if you take minus 20 common here, it is x plus 24, which is equal to 0. That is 0 is equal to x minus 20 and x plus 24. So if I consider this as 0, then x will be 20. So what we have considered, x is equal to Ankit's age. Find Nikita's age. So what is Nikita's age? If x is 20, then Nikita's age is 240 by 20, that is 12. Nikita's age is 12 years. That is how we find out Nikita's age. We will move on to the next problem, problem number 7. Renu's age after 6 will be 3/7 of her father's age. Let Renu's age be x now. Her father's age is y. Renu's age after 6 will be x plus 6 and her father's age after 6 will be y plus 6. And 10 years ago their ages were x minus 10, y minus 10. Okay, now we look into the ratios. Renu's age after 6 years will be 3/7 of her father's age. That means x plus 6 is equal to 3/7 of her father's age, y plus 6. And after 10 years, their ratio of their ages is x minus 10 is y minus 10 is equal to 1/5. That means if we cross multiply 5x minus 50 is equal to y minus 10. So 5x minus y is equal to minus 10 plus 50 is 40. So this is one equation and this is the other equation. What is this? This implies 7x plus 42 is equal to 7x plus 42. 7x plus 42 is equal to 3y plus 18. So if you try to solve these two equations, what is this? 5x minus 40 is equal to y. So in place of y, we can just substitute this. Y is equal to 5x minus 40. We will go here. 7x plus 42 is equal to 3 times 5x minus 40. 5x minus 40 plus 18. So that is 7x plus 42 is equal to 15x minus 120 plus 18. So if you simplify, what happens? X will be we'll try to simplify it. So 7x, so 7x minus 15x will be plus 18. How much is this? So 15x minus 7x is, this side it will be 8x, so it will remain 8x here. 15 minus 7 will be 8, and here it will be 42 minus 18 plus 120. So that is 42 plus 120 plus 42, 162 minus 18, 162 minus 18, that is 144 is equal to 8x. X is equal to 8 ones are 8 ones are 8 eights are. So x is 18. If x is 18, what is his father's age? We will try to substitute in this equation. So 18 plus 6 is 37 y 6. So if you simplify for y will be 50 years. So father's age is 50 years. Next, 6 years ago the ratio of the ages of Kunal and Sagar was 6:5. So 6 years ago, let their ages 6 years ago will be x and y. Kunal's age is 6 years ago and Sagar's age 6 years ago. So at the ratio of their age is 6 years ago, this is 6 years ago, x, y is 6:5. 4 years hence, 4 years hence, that means then present ages will be x plus 6, y plus 6 are present ages. These are 6 years ago ages. So present ages is 4 years hence, their ages will be 11. 4 years hence means we have to add 4 to this. That means x plus 10, y plus 10. The ratio x plus 10 is to y plus 10 is 11:10. See, this is 6 years ago and this is present year. Present, it is x plus 6. Then 4 years after, x plus 6 plus 4, that is x plus 10. So what will be Sagar's present age? Now it is asked what is Sagar's present age. So 10x plus 100 is equal to 11y minus 110. So plus 110. Okay, what is x? x is equal to 6y by 5. If you can see this, 6y by 5. So x is 6y by 5 plus 100 is 11y by 110. So y1 5 ones are 5 2s are 12y minus 11y, if I take this side, is equal to 110 minus 100 is 10. So y is equal to 10. Sun's age is 10. So if you try to substitute here, x is equal to 6y by 5. Y is 10. 10 into 6, 60 by 5. So x is 12 years. Sagar's age is 10 years. Now, next, the difference between ages of two men is 10. So let their ages be x and y. Their ages difference is x minus y is equal to 10. 15 years ago the elder was as old as younger. 15 years ago, that means their ages were x minus 15 and y minus 15. So x minus y, that means y is younger, x is elder. So 15 years ago elder was, that means x minus 15 was twice as old as younger one. Twice as old as younger one. The present age of elder man. So what is the age of x is asked. So let us try to substitute directly here. X is equal to 10 plus y. You can take it this way. X is equal to 10 plus y minus 15 is equal to 2y minus 30. So it is, this is 2y. Okay. So 10 plus y is minus 5 plus 30 is equal to y. So y is 25. Y is 25. If y is 25, then what is x? X is equal to 10 plus 25. X is equal to 35. The age of elder one is 35. We'll quickly move on to the next problem. X age 3 years ago was 3 times the present age of y. Let us consider x age is x, y age is y, and z age is z. What he says, x age 3 years ago, x age 3 years ago was x minus 3 was 3 times the present age of y. Present age of y is y, so 3 times the present age of y. At present z age is z is twice the age of y, 2 times present age of y. Okay. Also z is 12 years younger than x. So x minus 12 is z. It means z is 12 years younger. X minus 12 is z. What is the present age of z? So with this, what we can do? X minus 12 is equal to z. So we'll substitute here in this equation. This we'll substitute here. X is equal to z plus 12. X is equal to z plus 12. We'll do it. We will substitute in that. X is equal to z plus 12 minus 3 is equal to 3y, and y is equal to, and z is equal to 2y. 2y plus 12 minus 3 is equal to 3y. If we solve this, 2y plus 9 is equal to 3y, and 9 is equal to y. So y is 9 presently. So z is 2 into y, that is 18. Age of z is 18 now. So that is the age of z. So we have solved 10 problems on ages. Thanks for watching my video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thank you.